Welcome to our online class, Secondary M High School. Dear students, now we are discussing about the unsynthesis. In the examination question, you will be complete the answer 4 and 5. Today's our topic is Yuri Gagarin. Dear students, you open your book and read out the unsynthesis. Yuri Gagarin was a Russian pilot and astronaut. He was the first human to journey into outer space. He, on his spacecraft Vostok, completed an orbit of the Earth on 12 April 1961. Yuri Gagarin was born in the village of Ploshino, Russia on March 9, 1934. His parents worked on a farm. He was the third of 4 children. In 1946, Gagarin completed his secondary education at Ploshino. At the age of 16, in 1950, he entered a Fondy steel factory near Moscow. He did his graduation from a vocational school in 1951. Then he took a training as Soviet Air Cadet at a local club where he learned to fly at first. He again graduated from a technical school in 1950 and he was recruited in the Soviet Army. He became lieutenant in the Soviet Air Force in 1957. In 1960, Yuri was selected for Soviet space program. On 12 April 1961, he became the first human to travel into space and move around the Earth. He died in 1968 in plane crash. Dear students, you already complete your read out the unsynthesis. Now we answer the question number 4, information transfer. Look at the board. Here is the information transfer chalk. Information transfer divided in 4 parts: name of events, year or time, place, achievement. This information transfer is life span and achievement of Yuri Gagarin. Look at the information. Born. Yeah, in Kushino village, Russia. Dear students, you read the passage again and find out the year when Yuri Gagarin was born. Yuri Gagarin was born in 1934. You answer the question number 4, item number 1. Here is, you write down Roman number 1 in 1934. You complete the answer 1. Answer 2, in 1946 at Kushino. In 1946, what did Gagarin do? Gagarin completed his secondary education in 1946. Question number 3. took his bachelor degree in the name of year from vocational school. You look at the passage. In 1951, took his bachelor degree in 1951 from a vocational school. Next, number 4. In 1961 was his achievement. In 1961, he became the first human to travel into space and move around the earth. This is his achievement. Number 5. In 1968, what did he do? Or what happened in 1968? 1968, he died. Yuri Gagarin was died. Thus, you will be completed your information transfer. You write down on your khata only number and answer. You will be get 5 marks. Then you write question number 5. Write a summary. Now you read out the passage again and you write down on your khata summarizing. Before write the summarizing, you must read out the passage minimum 5 minutes and thinking how do you write. We will know when we write down a summary. You must read out the topic name. And you adding your some information from this answer. Now you will read out the summarizing. The text is about a Russian pilot and astronaut Yuri Gagarin, who was the first human to journey into our outer space. Then you write his achievement and education. After he completed his graduation degree, he took a training as Soviet Air Cadet at a local club where he learned to fly at first. Then he recruited or joined in the Soviet army. Later he became a lieutenant in the Soviet Air Force in 1957. In 1960, Yuri was selected for Soviet space program. On 12 April in 1961, he became the first human to travel into space and move around the earth. This is summarizing about this way. You will can write the summarizing. Thus, you read the summarizing, you must get number 10. Thank you very much. Today's our online class is complete. Next we are discuss about the other topics. Thank you so much.